Welcome back to another tool deal of the day. This time it's going to be only at Lowe's.com. It is today only Thursday, July 16th, 2026. So if you're watching this video after that date, unfortunately, these deals are no longer in effect. I will place a link down in the description below. It will be an affiliate link as well as in the pinned comment. It'll take you right to the deals page here at Lowe's.com. And I wanted to share these deals again with you today because they did hit the repeat button on the Klein Tools deals that they did the other day. And they're excellent ones. So in case you missed out the other day, it'd be a good opportunity to go ahead and get some Klein Tools. But they also have some other good deals here. So to start off here, they have the Metabo HPT of the straight brad nailer. It's gonna be 55% off here today. Priced at only 49 bucks. It was 109. It's an excellent deal on a nailer, especially if you're looking for a pneumatic one. And if you need some brad nails to go with it, they do have a deal on the Craftsman of the 3/4 inch, 1.25 inch, and 2-inch 18 gauge brad nails. Priced at only 8 bucks. It was 11 bucks. So you are saving 27% here today. And they have some pretty decent deals here on the DeWalt products on the different tool bags as well as tool belts and knee pads. So if you go to the main page like I'm on here today, you can go over here to this shop all link right here, and then he brings up even more deals than what they're displaying on the main page. So first up, you can go with the framing leather tool belt, priced at 109 bucks. That is saving 40 bucks. And they have a pretty good deal on this DeWalt zippered rolling tool bag. It does have an extendable handle that goes up like a luggage does and has wheels. This is a large bag, so it's priced today at 99 bucks, saving 70. It's an excellent deal on it. Another good deal is on the DeWalt backpack, which also has a handle and wheels on it. That's priced at 109 bucks here today, saving 40. And they have decent savings on the DeWalt knee pads for only 22 bucks. That's saving 18. They have the Carpenter leather tool belt for only 49.98, saving 20. Then they have the polyester one for 25 bucks. That's saving 30. That's an excellent deal. Then they have other knee pad options. This one is the non-marring knee pads. So this would be great for doing flooring. Priced at 30 bucks, saving 25. Or you can save $10 on the hard shell knee pads. Pick them up for 45 bucks. That's going to be the DeWalt tool bags and tool belts and knee pads. All right, next up is going to be another Metabo deal on the HPT 18 volt of the random orbit sander. Priced at only 89 bucks. Normally priced at 139. That is saving 36% today. Another excellent deal. And here is the Klein Tools deals again. So definitely some good ones. And again, you go to this main page and you click on the shop all link and it'll bring up all the deals that they have under this section. So the first one is on the Connect Complete Impact Pass-Through and Flip Socket Set. It's a 39-piece set. Of course, they're saying view the price in the cart. I know it's priced at 100 bucks. Let's go ahead and add it to the cart. So yeah, it's priced at $99.98. Normally priced at $170. So saving 70 bucks today. It's an excellent deal on it. And it comes with all the different parts and pieces to either use an impact driver or you could use the sockets with it. Has a pass-through ratchet in case you're working with long threaded rods or longer bolts. That's a perfect tool to use to be able to tighten down nuts on. And they show it here in this one picture. So it passes right through so you can tighten down nuts. And here's the parts list of everything that is included in the set. So different varieties of both metric and SAE sockets. That is why it's so expensive. And it also includes these flip sockets as well in both the metric and SAE. So excellent deal there at 100 bucks. All right, next up is going to be on the Klein Tools compact green planar self-leveling laser level. Priced at 150 bucks here today to saving $50, just like it was before. These are the kind of lasers I do recommend having the multi-plane laser levels like this. You can do many different tasks with it, including like plumb lines and different grids. So it might be a good pickup at 150 bucks, especially for a Klein Tools one. It also includes a carrying case and mounting bracket. And then here's another good deal on the Klein Tools Connect set. It's the 28-piece set and has both the SAE and metric. One thing that's different about this set is it does not have the flip sockets like the other one does. So it is priced here today at 65 bucks, saving 35. It's another excellent deal. And we'll go ahead and pull it up. So again, it does have the fitting to be able to run it in a impact driver, and it has the handle to be able to accommodate the different sockets as well, in addition to that ratchet. And I have heard from some of you guys on the previous video that might have purchased it a month ago. So if you did purchase it recently, I think within a 30-day window, Lowe's will give you a credit of the difference for what you paid for it less than a month ago. So it is a good option if you happen to have already picked it up and then feel bad for not getting this deal. So there is an opportunity to do so. You just have to give them a call, their customer service. All right, next up is going to be the Klein Tools Utility Borescope. So this will be specifically like utility. It's not going to be for plumbing. They do have a plumbing one though. And this Borescope is actually like a 10-foot long cord. Priced at 90 bucks here today. Saving 20 is decent savings. But if you are in the market for other borescopes, they do have other options between the plumber's borescope. It's just not going to be under this deal here today. And they also have the pro borescope that is connected to Wi-Fi as well. So they do have other options there, but this would be great for HVAC work, to run up inside of ducting, check wiring, that sort of thing. So it might be a decent pickup there for only 90 bucks. All right, next up is going to be the Klein Tools 90-tooth ratcheting combo wrench set in the SAE. Again, it's an 8-piece set. We'll pull it up. Price here today at 45 bucks. It's saving 35. It's an excellent deal on it, especially if you're looking for SAE specifically. They do have it available in metric. It's just not on sale here today for the metric. Metric set's going to be 80 bucks. So excellent deal for the SAE. It does ranges from size 5/16 all the way up to 3/4 of an inch. And it does come with a nice little case with it, so you can store them all in with all the dividers and the markings on the roll pouch. So very nice. Good deal at 45 bucks. All right, next up is going to be the Klein Tools hard hat. It's a carbon pattern vented full brim Class C. And it includes this lamp as well, which is a quick release headlamp with a magnetic work light. It's a quick release headlamp / magnetic work light. For 90 bucks, it is saving $20 here today, normally priced at 110. And they brought back the deal again on the Modbox folding workbench. It's an excellent deal at 100 bucks. This is the same pricing they had during the holiday time. I do recommend these style of tables. They're nice and quick to set up and very easy to set up and take back down. And this one's going to be better than the DeWalt one that I have. It has a built-in tray here for like screws and other parts. Still has a pass-through area for clamps. You can clamp down different work pieces. It also has the Modbox Connect system attachment points like in the corner here. So you could do different accessories with that. Like they show it here with an extension cord holder as one example. So good deal here today at $99.98. The DeWalt one is also normally priced, I think, at $120. So if you're in the market for something like this, definitely opt to go for the Klein Tools one, in my opinion. Next up is going to be the Klein Tools fixed leg sawhorse. It's a 2-pack of them for 75 bucks. It's saving $15. Sawhorses are expensive. It looks like they are rated at 2,600 pounds for the pair. So it's a pretty decent amount of weight you could put on top of them, create a work surface. So it is a decent deal, in my opinion, at 75 bucks, especially compared to other options out there. So it might be worth a pickup. And again, another deal on the Modbox utility cart. This one again is equipped with the Modbox attachment on the rails. So you do the different accessories on it. This is priced at 200 bucks today. It is saving $50 on it. And again, you do the different Modbox accessories on it with the different tool pouches, even including the light. Attach it right onto that rail there. So it makes it more versatile in that sense. So you're not taking up space in the actual cart itself to be able to hold these tools. Might be worth a pickup at 200 bucks. It is still pricey though, in my opinion, but for what you're getting and the type of use you might be getting out of it, might be worth it. And then they brought back a deal on the wrecking bar, the Klein Tools one. And this one's gonna be priced at, I think I was actually wrong the other day. This one's actually priced at 28 bucks. They do have other sizes. This is going to be the largest one, the 42-inch one, and it has a nice grip to it as well, which the 36 one is priced at 31, so it's not even on a deal. And then the 24-inch one is priced at 26. Definitely a good deal at 28 bucks for the 42-inch one, the larger one, normally priced at 35. And the next good deal from Klein Tools is going to be on the hollow magnetic color-coded ratcheting power nut driver set. It's a 6-piece set. And as mentioned, it is ratcheting, so this handle is a ratchet, so that makes it easy for turning the nuts. And it has the color-coded hex sizes for easy identification. A 5-inch sturdy shaft. They do say you have to see the price in the cart. That's because I'm not logged in currently on the Lowe's site. We'll go ahead and add it to the cart. So it's 33 bucks, normally priced at 50. So it's an excellent deal today on this set. Next up is the 2 pairs of the Klein Tools safety glasses. The one is the tinted, the one's the clear for 20 bucks. That's saving 13. And then they brought back the deal on the folding utility knife with the driver. So it's like this Milwaukee 6-in-1 fastback, similar to that. Priced at only 15 bucks, saving $6. And then the nail puller, we'll have to see what that price is because they have different options. So again, I had to add it to cart. All right, that's gonna be priced at 14 bucks here today, normally priced at 18. So you are saving $4 on that one. Next deal is gonna be on the Klein Tools rafter square, the 7-inch one. This one does have the pass-through for the pipe. It's a pipe prop. So if you do a lot of conduit work or even other plumbing pipes, you might be able to fit like a galvanized pipe or even copper pipe through that to make your cuts. So it makes it a useful tool for not just being a rafter square. You have other utility uses out of it. And they show it here with the pipe going through it. So you can make your cut. Helps stabilize the pipe. So that might be a decent pickup there. So again, I have to add it to the cart to see what it is. Priced at 13 bucks here today, normally priced at 17. It is a good deal compared to the Milwaukee Tools one. That's normally priced at $20 by itself. Next deal is going to be on the 4-pack of the markers. It's priced at only $3, normally priced at $4. So saving 25% on that one. And the deal again on the Klein Tools 25-foot tape measure for $15. That's saving $3, normally priced at $18. I remember, I think it was 2 Christmases ago, I did pick up the 2-pack of this on clearance for $10. It was a holiday pack that they had that was a 2 of them, and it was an excellent deal then, obviously. These are great tape measures. I do recommend them, and $15 is not too bad compared to other options out there. Next up is going to be the Klein Tools folding utility knife. It's the 2-pack of them. It's the regular style ones with no bits on them. Again, I have to add it to the cart to see what the price is. Going to be priced at $18 here today. It is saving $4, which is a decent deal for 2 of them. So that's it for the Klein Tools section. And we'll just scroll through and see what else they have. So they have some safety headwear on sale, as well as select Cobalt display signs. So if you're in the Cobalt platform and want some signs for your man cave, they have some decent deals, savings here for 50% off on these different signs. And they also have some decent savings on different Zinsser primers. So maybe check those out if you're in the market for some different options there. Zinsser makes a great primer. I've used it many times, especially on the stain cover primer. It works excellent. That's why it's so pricey. It is a 5-gallon one though there. So any chance to be able to save on primer or paint is an excellent time to pick up some paint. All right, that's going to be it for the tool deals of the day at Lowe's.com. As I mentioned, I'll have that affiliate link down in the description below, and as well as a pinned comment. The best part is it won't cost you any more money, but it does help support the channel, and I really do appreciate that support. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.